Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best face masks for winter that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, AstroEye Balaclava Ski Face Mask Winter Fleece. If you need full facial coverage and ultimate protection, look no further than AstroEye Balaclava Windproof Breathable Mask. This versatile model will shield your face from dust, wind, UV rays, sleet, snow, and any other element. After all, you can wear it as a full face mask, an open balaclava, a neck gaiter, or a half ski mask. In other words, it goes under helmets, but you can also pair it with glasses or goggles. Another element that separates the AstroEye winter mask is the eye-catching design, with a combo of gray polar fleece and mesh at the front. Likewise, superfine stitching provides this model with excellent durability and ruggedness. So, it will survive plenty of wear and tear on your outdoor adventures. As we said, the AstroEye face mask is multifunctional, and that's one of its primary advantages. After all, the four-way stretchiness ensures high flexibility, allowing you to change the wearing styles easily. At the same time, you can expect maximum warmth thanks to advanced polar fleece. So, even in freezing temperatures, the insulated, non-irritating fabric will offer excellent protection. Likewise, the mesh around the nose area will let you breathe freely, preventing fogging up your goggles or glasses. Number 2, Ergodyne Inferno 6823 Balaclava Ski Face Mask. This winter face mask is fantastic, and I know you will love it. This is a nice face mask that protects the whole head rather easily. It protects the neck from cold winds as well. The fabric feels good on the skin and not itchy at all. This can be used in a lot of sports, outdoor activities, or you can use this when you go outside of your home. This has many features that are incredibly useful. I know that this is high quality and you will too, just by judging the volume of positive customer reviews. Stylish and looks amazing, breathe easy mesh panel over mouth, wind protecting fabric paneling over vulnerable areas, stretchable to fit most heads to provide the ultimate winter protection. And mouth area. In other words, only your eyes will stay exposed, reducing the wind's bite and allowing you to enjoy winter sports. Also, this face mask comes in several colors, including navy and lime. Plus, there's also the camouflage version, ideal for hunters or even military personnel. Finally, we should also mention that you can wear the practical Ergodyne Inferno winter mask in 3 ways. Number 3, SelfPro Balaclava Ski Mask for cold weather. This is an excellent cold weather mask that you will find on the internet. I like that this is pretty outstanding and the material feels good on the skin. The low price tag of this item is one of its best benefits. This is easy to put on and easy to take out. Provides plenty of protection and cold winds are no match for it. The fact remains that this has lots of positive consumer reviews, which explains why it is very popular. A very durable face mask that a lot of people love, including myself. Super comfortable and lightweight, balaclava mesh material is breathable and extra stretchy, 90% polyester and 10% spandex blend that absorbs sweat and keeps you dry. And this balaclava style face mask features a pull-on closure with a drawcord. As such, anyone interested in walking around the city when the temperature falls below freezing should consider the extra warm SelfPro mask. In essence, the ultimate protection provided by this fleece mask will let you feel excellent during skiing, snowboarding, or trekking activities. Best of all, this model is one of the most affordable winter masks on the market, and it also offers top-drawer breathability and durability. Number 4, Balaclava Ski Mask, Face Mask for Men. If you're looking for an awesome cold weather mask, then look into this. The extraordinary things regarding this are that it has plenty of features and is very inexpensive. I know that this is one of the finest, mainly because of the number of positive customer reviews that this fantastic item has. I'm not the only person who likes this item. A great face mask that will block cold winds. It doesn't matter how you look at it, men and women buy this item because this is very effective. I am impressed that this item is really durable, plus it can block and protect the head, neck, ears and nose. Beautiful aesthetically, protects the head from the elements, multi-purpose item, soft fabric that does not irritate the skin. A neck gaiter or a half ski mask. In other words, it goes under helmets, but you can also pair it with glasses or goggles. Another element that separates the AstroEye winter mask is the eye-catching design, with a combo of gray polar fleece and mesh at the front. Likewise, superfine stitching provides this model with excellent durability and ruggedness. So, it will survive plenty of wear and tear on your outdoor adventures. Number 5. Balaclava Ski Mask Winter Full Face Mask for Men. This winter face mask is outstanding, and I really like it. I have analyzed a great deal of items, and this is one of the best. I love that this is very durable. There are lots of fragile items in this category that will not last for a long time. This works great for bikes also. If you love to use a motorcycle, then this is a great choice to protect yourself from the winds. I know that you are going to be very happy with this, mainly because this has a whole lot of positive customer reviews. Versatile item that makes hiking and outdoor adventures a lot more fun and provides lots of usefulness. Company continues to amaze me with amazing items: wind protecting and waterproof fabric paneling over vulnerable areas, micro-polar fleece lining keep you extremely soft and warm, micro-polar fleece lining keep you extremely soft and warm. Since it comes at an affordable price, this fleece mask provides full coverage and warmth in any weather. Like most winter masks out there, the one from ROCKBROS is versatile and flexible. On top of that, it comes with a breathing valve and a breathing filter. Thus, this mask will make your breathing smoother while protecting you from dust and airborne pollutants. Nowadays, breathability is a massive concern, especially during the pandemic. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.